A queue is an abstract data type or a linear data structure wherein the insertion of an element takes place at the other end, which is called the rear or also known as tail, and the deletion of an element takes place at the other end, which is the front.
NQ is the process to add an element into a queue. DQ is the process of removal of an element into the queue.
This makes queue FIFO or first in first out data structure, which means that elements inserted first will also be removed first.
The following steps should be taken to enqueue a data into the queue. Step 1. Check if the queue is full. Step 2. If the queue is full, produce overflow error and exit. Step 3. If the queue is not full, increment rear pointer to point the next empty space. Step 4. Add data element to the queue location where the rear is pointing. Step 5. Return success.
The following steps are taken to perform the queue operation. Step 1. Check if the queue is empty. Step 2. If the queue is empty, produce underflow error and exit. Step 3. If the queue is not empty, access the data where front is not pointing. Step 4. Increment front pointer to point to the next available data element. Step 5. Return success.
Q was one-dimensional array, and it is known as one-dimensional array when the maximum Q is known and the shifting of elements is negligible.
This is the empty queue. So we will add 1 to the queue, which results to the rear moving on to another location. Next, we add another element, which is 2, which results to the rear moving on to another location. Next, we add another element again, and the rear will move to the next location again. And that goes on for the rest of the queue until the queue is full. After deleting the first element, we will now proceed to the second element, which is 2. We will be deleting 2, and the front will now move on to the next element. After that, the element that will be deleted will now be 3, and the front will now move on to the next, which is 4. After that, the next element that will be deleted will be 4, and the front will now move to the next element, which is 5. After deleting the previous element, we will now proceed to the next element, which is 5. The 5 will be deleted, and the front will now reach the end, which is the rear. And the last element will be deleted. Another common implementation of a queue is a circular buffer. Buffer is a general name for a temporary storage location. Circular queue is a linear data structure in which the operations are performed based on FIFO or first in, first out principle, and the last position is connected back to the first position to make a circle. It is also called ring buffer. In a normal queue, we can insert elements until queue becomes. Priority queue is a more specialized data structure than queue. Like ordinary queue, priority queue has same method but with a major difference. In priority queue, items are ordered by key value so that item with the lowest value of key is at front and item with the highest value of key is at rear or vice versa.